The Blazer Products Big Shot GT-8000 was released in 1985 as part of the world's first line of fully self-contained, self-igniting butane torches. The Big Shot brought industrial power out of the factory and into the field in a new portable form. This made-in-Japan torch set an industry standard that remains unmatched to this day. Handcrafted from the highest quality materials, the Big Shot features a brass anti-flare ignition system encased in a stainless steel nozzle. This anti-flare feature is specifically designed to prevent torch flare-ups and allows the Big Shot to be used safely in any position. The large 28-gram fuel tank is encased in a smooth nylon resin outer body for a sleek, friction-free grip. The Japanese piezo crystal instant ignition system provides thousands of more ignitions than any other brand. This translates into a longer life cycle for all made-in-Japan Blazer torches. The Blazer Big Shot now features a new and improved base for hands-free work. The new longer base has been engineered to provide additional support and stability. The Big Shot refills for pennies with Blazer brand butane as well as other high-quality brands. The made-in-Japan Blazer Big Shot has a proven track record of quality and reliability. Get the first, get the best, get a Blazer. Visit blazerproducts.com for a complete line of torches, lighters, and Blazer brand butane.